G'day, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. Some of this has got multicolours in it, apart from greens. Some pinks and golden colours amongst it as well. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. I'll go in a bit closer so you can get a better look. As you can see, there are some larger pieces amongst it. So there's a nice colour bar. Quite a few larger pieces amongst it. Just picking up some of the larger bits to show you. So good. Got all this smaller material here, like this sort of thing. Cut smaller stones. A lot of small material amongst it, but it's the nature of the game, I'm afraid. Pink, please. Pink and green. Red bar there. It's 20 millimetres long there. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.